Hands down, the first major battle to own a home is having enough down payment. Today I'm going to cover the down payment requirement for your first home, moving up home, even for your first investment property. Hey, I'm Gamini, and this channel I talk about personal finance and real estate tips just like this every week. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel. Let's dive in. Let's consider first-time home buyer. First-time home buyer can buy up to $500,000 home with a 5% minimum down payment. In that case, if you are buying a $500,000 home, you have to put up $25,000 down payment. And if you go above $500,000 and under $1 million, your down payment requirement for that portion is 10%. So in this case, if you are buying a $999,999 home, your down payment requirement is $75,000. For up to $500,000, you need $25,000. Above $500,000, up to $1 million, you need $50,000. If you are buying a home above $1 million, even you are a first-time home buyer, the down payment requirement is 20%. Doesn't matter you are a first-time home buyer or investor or move-up buyer. The down payment minimum requirement is 20%. Do you know first-time home buyers can create their down payment? I have done a video about that. I will link that in the description below. Category number 2. Let's talk about move-up buyers now. If someone sells their primary residence, it means the house that they live, move to another home as their primary residence, then their down payment requirement is similar to first-time home buyers. Now the third category is investors. I am not talking about big real estate investors here. If you want to invest in another property while you are living in a primary residence, then your minimum down payment requirement is 20%. Doesn't matter you buy a $300,000 home or $1 million home for an investment property, your down payment requirement is 20%. Here I talk about minimum down payment, but obviously the down payment amount will vary based on other factors such as income, credit, or the real value of the property. And if you have any questions regarding the down payment, let me know in the comments below so I can answer them for you. Thank you.